Hello everyone, welcome back to the Brand Investigation YouTube channel. Today we are going to review the product called Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's start by knowing why we have robot vacuum cleaners. Imagine you get back home after a really long day at work. Instead of worrying about cleaning, you can just relax and let technology handle it. That's what a robot vacuum cleaner does. It's a smart machine that moves around your home, cleaning up dust and dirt from different surfaces like floors and carpets. Now let's talk about how to select the right robot vacuum cleaner for your home. Which is the best brand? What are the main things to consider when purchasing a robot vacuum cleaner? How to buy the best and where to buy the best robot vacuum cleaner? We have gathered online customer reviews and ratings to help you make an informed buying decision. Let's explore the top 10 best-selling robot vacuum cleaner brands in UK and US. From the list, we will shortlist the top 4 brands to make the best buying decision. Coming to the major important part and discussing the major brands that have received negative ratings and the negative customer reviews and exploring that the reason behind it, why should we avoid that. For example, Plus 360 brand has the poor quality with battery issues. For G1 Robot brand, it's not good for carpets. In Shark brand, there are technical issues. Discussing on the HomeVees brand, there are quality issues. Discussing on the iLife brand, there are technical issues. Talking on the Lulu brand is having the technical issues. So these are the brands that you strictly need to avoid them. Talking on the top 4 best selling brands are, first is Lefant, second is MAVNV, third is Dreametech and the fourth is Tikom. Discussing on the suction power, Lefant has the suction power of 2200 PA, MAVNV has 1400 PA, Dreametech has 4000 PA and Tikom has 2700 PA. Coming to the running time, Lefant has 120 minutes, MAVNV has 100 minutes, Dreametech has 150 minutes and Tikom has 120 minutes. Talking on the cleaning mode, Lefant has 6 modes, MAVNV has 4 modes, Dreametech has 3 modes and Tikom has 5 modes. Discussing on the pet hair cleaning, Lefant, MAVNV, Dreametech and Tikom all have these features in it. If we talk on the app control, Lefant, MAVNV, Dreametech and Tikom, all these brands have the app control provided in it. Let's discuss about the dustbin capacity. Lefant has the capacity of 500 ml, MAVNV has 220 ml, Dreametech has 570 ml and Tikom has 450 ml. Discussing on the warranty part, Lefant, MAVNV, Dreametech and Tikom, all these 4 brands have the 1 year of warranty provided in it. Discussing some common things included in these brands are auto on and off cleaning, Google Voice Assistant and Alexa answers. They are used for carpets, hard surfaces and all indoor surface cleaning. They have high precision sensors and they provide the powerful suction cleaning. Coming to the most important part, that is customer rating of these products. Lefant has the customer rating of 4.5 stars, MAVNV has the customer rating of 4 stars, Dreametech has the customer rating of 4 stars and Tikom has the customer rating of 4.5 stars. To know more details about these branded products and their exact prices, we have provided you a link in the description, so go and check out the link in the description. If you love this video, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.